Unlock the doors to financial freedom in 2024 by earning money online. In the digital age, opportunities abound for those willing to seize them. This video will explore various ways to tap into the online money-making landscape, from selling print-on-demand products, monetizing a blog, to becoming an influencer and beyond. There's a world of potential out there, waiting for you to step up and claim your share. Stay tuned to learn how you can become a successful online entrepreneur. Print-on-demand products offer an incredible chance to earn money with minimal startup costs. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity and versatility. You start by creating unique designs. These could be anything from catchy text phrases to intricate artworks. These designs are your intellectual property, your ticket to a potential goldmine. Once your designs are ready, you choose the right print-on-demand platform that aligns with your goals. This platform will handle the printing and shipping of your products, be it t-shirts, mugs, or even phone cases. You set your price, and the difference between the cost price and your selling price becomes your profit. The key here is to make designs that resonate with people, designs they would love to wear or use. It's about identifying a niche, creating designs for it, and marketing them effectively. With a bit of creativity, you can turn your ideas into profitable products. Turn your passion for writing into a money-making venture by monetizing a blog. Now, you might be wondering, how does one go about this? Well, there are several ways to turn your blog into a cash cow. First, you can earn through ad revenue. This is where advertisers pay to display ads on your blog. The more traffic you attract, the more you can charge for ad space. You can use services like Google AdSense to automate this process. Secondly, sponsored posts are another way to monetize your blog. Companies might pay you to write about their products or services. Remember, though, to always disclose sponsored content to your readers. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your blog and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. So if you love writing and have something interesting to share, why not make some money out of it? With engaging content and a strategic approach, your blog can become a steady income stream. In the digital age, you can earn money by selling your knowledge and skills. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be sold an infinite number of times. This sets up a potential stream of passive income. Think about what you're good at. Maybe it's cooking, programming, or even playing the guitar. You can turn your expertise into an ebook or an online course. These resources are high in demand as people are always looking to learn new things in their own time and at their own pace. Software is another lucrative digital product. If you have coding skills, you can develop an app or a tool that solves a particular problem. Remember, it doesn't have to be complex to be valuable. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most successful ones. Your expertise can be your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine waking up to new sales notifications. That's the power of selling digital products. Reselling products online can be a lucrative business opportunity. It's all about buying products at a low cost and selling them at a higher price. But how does one become a successful reseller? Firstly, it's crucial to find reliable suppliers. This could be manufacturers, wholesalers, or even other online retailers. Research is key here. Look for suppliers offering quality products at competitive prices. Once you've sourced your products, it's time to set up your online store. Several platforms allow for easy setup, like Shopify, eBay, or Amazon. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you'll need to market your products. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and even pay-per-click advertising to reach your target customers. Remember, good customer service can also be a powerful marketing tool. Lastly, don't forget to track your sales and adjust your strategies based on what's working. This is a continuous process of learning and adapting. With the right products and marketing strategies, you can build a successful reselling business. Affiliate marketing is a low-risk, high-reward way to earn money online. Let's dive into the basics. The first step is choosing a niche. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, but it also needs to be profitable. Think about what kind of products or services you genuinely love and would recommend to others. Next, you'll need to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. There are countless programs out there, from large platforms like Amazon Associates to smaller, more specialized programs. Do your research and select programs that offer competitive commission rates and high-quality products or services. Promoting the products is where your creativity comes into play. This could be through a blog, social media, email marketing, or even a YouTube channel. The key is to provide valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. With dedication and smart strategies, affiliate marketing can become a significant income source. Leverage your social media presence to earn money as an influencer. You might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it's a journey that starts with building a following. You need an audience to influence, right? So start by sharing content that resonates with you. Be authentic, be yourself. But having a crowd of followers is not enough. You need to engage them. Create content that sparks conversation, that encourages your followers to interact, to share, to be part of your story. Now, on to the money-making part. Once you have a solid base and high engagement, brands will want to partner with you. They'll pay you to share their products or services with your audience. Just remember, only endorse products that align with your personal brand and values. Becoming an influencer is not an overnight success story. It requires patience, creativity, and a lot of hard work. But remember, your unique voice can be your ticket to earning money online. Side gigs can provide a steady income stream while offering the flexibility to pursue other interests. The beauty of side gigs is that they come in all shapes and sizes, catering to a wide range of skills and preferences. For instance, if you're a wordsmith, freelance writing or editing might be up your alley. Perhaps you're more visually inclined? Graphic design or photography could be your ticket. For those with a knack for numbers, consider bookkeeping or tax preparation. On the other hand, part-time jobs can also serve as excellent side gigs. Maybe you enjoy interacting with people. Customer service or sales could be a great fit. Or perhaps you're a night owl. Consider taking on a shift at a 24-hour establishment. Remember, the key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. It's not just about making money, but also about enjoying the process. With the right side gig, you can earn money while enjoying the freedom of working on your own terms. Turn your passion for photography into a profitable business by selling photos online. It's a wonderful intersection of creativity and commerce, where your eye for beauty can translate into real dollars. So, how does it work? The first step is to choose the right platform. There are numerous sites out there like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock that make it easy to upload and sell your photos to a global market. Next, it's about quality. Make sure your photos are sharp, well composed, and have a unique perspective. The competition is fierce, but there's always room for fresh talent. Then, it's all about marketing. Social media is your friend here. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. These platforms can be powerful tools to showcase your work and attract potential buyers. Remember, persistence is key. It might take time to see significant earnings, but don't get discouraged. Keep capturing, keep uploading, and keep marketing. Your talent for capturing moments can be a source of steady income. Making money online in 2024 is easier than you might think. We've explored a myriad of strategies, each with its own potential for financial success. Selling print-on-demand products, for example, allows you to tap into your creative side. Monetizing a blog, on the other hand, can turn your passion for writing into a lucrative venture. Digital products, from ebooks to online courses, offer endless opportunities for income, while becoming a reseller can be a rewarding business. Affiliate marketing, with its commission-based earnings, is another viable option. As an influencer, you can leverage your social media following to earn money. The gig economy also provides numerous side gigs that can supplement your income. Selling photos online can turn your photography hobby into a money-making endeavor. These strategies, when implemented effectively, can open doors to financial success in 2024. With the right approach, the online world can be your goldmine. Nigeria's digital economy is booming, offering numerous opportunities to earn money online. The rise of e-commerce and digital services has paved the way for innovative income streams. Selling digital products, monetizing blogs, and affiliate marketing are just a few strategies that are gaining traction. While challenges exist, such as internet accessibility and payment processing, these are being progressively addressed. With determination and the right strategies, you can succeed in Nigeria's online marketplace. Making money online in 2024 is a reality waiting to happen for you. We've explored selling print-on-demand and digital products, monetizing blogs, becoming a reseller, affiliate marketing, influencing, finding side gigs, selling photos online, and even making money online, specifically in Nigeria. The world of online entrepreneurship is vast and full of opportunities. So, why wait? Take the first step towards your financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Start your journey to financial freedom today.